Welcome to Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Studio. My name is Joel, and today I'm joined with marvelous Mark from Product Management, who's been a buyer for a while.
18 years at
18
Fire Mountain.
years, wow.
Yes.
Thanks for taking care of that for us. So you are the primary buyer for Swarovski crystals, correct?
I am the primary buyer. We do have some other people that do a little bit of it, but I do most.
Oh, fabulous. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the coverings, the coatings that go into the Swarovski crystal. Mark, how many coatings are there?
Swarovski has 116 different coatings that they can put on any of these crystals. Not all of them come on every crystal, but we do have product in almost all those coatings.
That's impressive, yeah. And they never mix the 116 together and do anything.
They can mix two or three.
They mix two or three,
but
okay.
That's not as much as they
All
can.
right. So why would you coat a crystal? What does that do?
The primary reason for coating a crystal is to give the crystal a different effect than you can get just by applying color alone. Yeah. A lot of the crystals will have, it will cause the crystal to glow more, or it will give it a different 2 or 3 color effect where you can't get that with just one color.
Okay, yeah, we have a dizzying array that just is illuminating everything here. What is this going on here?
This is probably their most popular coating. It's called AB. It stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's designed to give that kind of a look, the look that you see in the Aurora Borealis on a piece of crystal and glass.
Wow, that's great. I don't even have to travel up north. I can just get it from a crystal.
You can do it right here at Fire Mountain.
I love that, yeah. And what is this beautiful?
This is probably my favorite coating of all of them that they have. It's called Bermuda Blue. It's designed to have a very deep blue tint, and depending on how you look at it, you get little flashes of green and other colors involved in there too.
That's impressive, yeah.
I really like that one.
That's my favorite too, I think, out of here. And what's this red?
This is called Red Magma, one of their newer finishes. It has, again, a little different look than most of the different red colors that they've got.
That's great. And how often approximately do they release new coatings?
Twice a year.
Twice a year.
Yeah,
okay.
At least one, sometimes 2 or 3.
All right. Well, I think we'll probably be looking forward to that for some more colors.
We will. Yeah. Always got something to look forward to with Swarovski.
Well, thank you, Mark, for that quick description of that. Appreciate it. And folks out there, if you'd like to learn more about the Swarovski crystal effects, visit our detailed Swarovski effects guide at firemountaingems.com.